If someone asked you, which is the safest city in the world, you might be confused, but Vienna has been ranked as the safest and most livable city at 10 times. Not only is it just safe, but the country is also incredibly beautiful and has no shortage. Beautiful women, stunning nature, and historic architecture that stand out even compared to many other European countries. Watch the full video, and if you have visited, highlight as a first commenters all over the top by mention the interesting aspect. Geographically, Austria is a landlocked country nestled in the heart of Central Europe, and it's absolutely stunning. Located in the Austrian Alps, this nation is bordered by 8 countries: Germany to the northwest, the Czech Republic to the north, Slovakia to the northeast, Hungary to the east, Slovenia and Italy to the south, and Switzerland and Liechtenstein to the west. Thanks to the Schengen Agreement, residents can move freely across these borders, making weekend getaways to neighboring countries incredibly convenient. Austria covers an area of approximately 83,879 square kilometers, with 62% of the country covered by the magnificent Alps. Despite its relatively small size, Austria is home to over 9 million people. The capital, Vienna, the most vibrant city, has a population of around 2 million residents, consistently ranked 10 times as the most livable and safest city in the world by various research firms. In 2024, it maintained its position at the top, competing fiercely with Zurich, Switzerland. Both cities set an incredibly high standard for urban living. In fact, nearly a quarter of Austria's entire population lives in or around Vienna. Other notable cities include Salzburg, the birthplace of Mozart, Graz, known as Austria's culinary capital, and Innsbruck, which sits perfectly in the heart of the Alps. Austria's history is ancient and profound. The name Austria comes from the German word Österreich, which translates to Eastern Realm, essentially a Latinized version of the country's original name. Historical records suggest the name first appeared around 996 AD. Historically, Austria has been a strongly Catholic country, serving as the center of the Habsburg monarchy, which championed Catholicism. Today, the religious landscape has shifted. According to 2024 data, 49.6% of Austrians identify as Catholic, marking the first time less than half the population belonged to the Catholic Church. About 3% adhere to Protestant churches, while 8.3% identify as Muslim and 22.4% identify as non-religious. This represents a significant shift from the early 1960s, when 89% of the population was Catholic. Today, Austria is one of the world's most prosperous nations. According to recent data, it ranks 16th among the richest countries globally, GDP $511.69 billion, with an annual per capita income of approximately $61,000. The country is a significant player in global production and branding, being home to world-renowned companies like Red Bull, Spar Supermarkets, and Swarovski Jewelry. This economic success directly translates into the quality of life you see on the streets. Austria, and particularly Vienna, represents a pinnacle of European civilization. It's a country where pristine architecture meets extremely beautiful women with understated sophistication, where safety is virtually guaranteed, where the quality of life ranks among the world's best, and where history and modernity coexist seamlessly. If you walk through the streets of Vienna, you'll notice how calm, respectful, and polite the people are. It's easy to blend in with them, but once you get close, they become soft, honest, and incredibly loyal. And if you ask most visitors what impressed them the most, many will simply say, The people, especially the women. What's their secret? Share your comment below. Austrian women, and particularly Viennese women, embody a specific aesthetic that's distinctly European. The average Austrian woman stands about 166 centimeters tall, with the average man measuring around 180 centimeters. Both tend to have striking blue or green eyes, fair or auburn skin, and often naturally blonde hair. Women typically have delicate facial features and are usually petite in build. What's fascinating is that Austrian beauty is about understated sophistication rather than extravagant displays. Austrian women prefer natural beauty. Healthy skin and neat hairstyles take precedence over heavy makeup or dramatic cosmetic enhancements. They dress neatly and elegantly, even for casual outings. The clothing choices reflect practicality and quality over flashiness. Traditional dirndls for women and lederhosen for men appear on special occasions, but everyday fashion follows modern European trends. In terms of personality and demeanor, there's an interesting dichotomy. Young people between 18 and 25 tend to smile frequently and appear confident and happy. Older and middle-aged adults often project an air of seriousness and discipline. When a camera is pointed at young women, they rarely show shyness. They smile and pose with enthusiasm, suggesting they feel both physically attractive and mentally content. Overall, people in Vienna exude an air of affluence and wealth, though there's sometimes a noticeable lack of warmth in social interactions compared to more southern European cities. If you're considering moving to Vienna, housing is probably your biggest concern. Apartments tend to be small. The average one-bedroom apartment measures around 45 square meters and rents for approximately 1,500 euros per month in Vienna's center. A two-bedroom apartment, over 60 square meters, typically costs over 2,000 euros monthly. To support yourself comfortably in Austria, you'll generally need a net income of at least 3,000 euros per month. However, the Austrian government's commitment to social and affordable housing means most people spend less of their income on rent compared to other countries. For a single individual, the average monthly cost of living in Vienna, including rent, utilities, and basic expenses, ranges from 1,200 to 2,000 euros depending on lifestyle. A student might manage on 1,000 to 1,300 euros monthly. For families, especially those with children, the picture is more expensive. A family of 4 needs between 2,500 and 4,000 euros monthly to live comfortably. The Austrian economy is sophisticated and stable. The median gross salary in Austria is approximately 51,500 euros per year, or about 3,422 euros per month before taxes. Given the country's per capita income of around $61,000, the average monthly salary typically falls between 4,000 and 5,000 euros for most professionals. New car prices reflect the country's wealth. A new Toyota in Vienna costs between 20,000 and 30,000 euros, while German luxury brands like Mercedes and BMW range from 30,000 to 60,000 euros. This tells you something about the purchasing power and economic status of the average Austrian. Major supermarkets in Vienna typically close on Saturdays and Sundays, which is important to know if you're planning a short weekend trip. You'll need to handle grocery shopping in advance. This Austrian tradition reflects the country's emphasis on work-life balance and employee rights, though it can be inconvenient for visitors. The food scene in Vienna is diverse and exciting. There's a large Turkish community. Approximately 500,000 Turks live in Vienna, and they've introduced authentic Turkish cuisine throughout the city. Doner kebab shops and Turkish restaurants are ubiquitous. Of course, you must try the famous Austrian schnitzel, typically served with sliced lemon and potato salad. Austria also has a higher tolerance for alcohol compared to many European countries, and beer and wine are integral parts of social culture. The Austrian lifestyle is organized, efficient, and deeply rooted in punctuality and order. Vienna's streets are designed for functionality. Nearly all main streets feature separate paths for bicycles and pedestrians. The transportation system is excellent. You'll see trams on almost every street, making it easy to navigate without a car. The city airport train connects the airport to the city center in just 16 minutes, though it costs around €15 per person. For regular transportation within Vienna, single-ride tickets cost about €3, but weekly transportation cards offer significant savings. Vienna offers unique automated services conveniently located in public spaces. Weight-measuring devices near bus stops allow people to check their weight for free. There are some hotels in Austria where you don't have to check out. The system detects it itself. That's so interesting. Speaking of quality of life, Vienna has been consistently ranked as the most livable city in the world by various research firms. In 2024, it maintained its position at the top, competing fiercely with Zurich, Switzerland. Both cities set an incredibly high standard for urban living. Vienna's cleanliness is legendary. Walk through the streets and you'll notice something remarkable. There's virtually no litter. The residents of Vienna take tremendous pride in their city's appearance. You'll find orange and gray plastic containers specifically designated for cigarette waste near bike lanes. Discarding a cigarette butt on the ground is considered highly disrespectful. Glass bottles go into green lid bins, while paper and plastic waste goes into yellow lid bins. Vienna and Austria overall are remarkably safe. Crime rates are low, and violent crime is rare. According to statistics, there's less than a 1% chance that anything will happen to you for no reason in Vienna's capital while you're there. You're unlikely to be harmed by people, and the risk of being bitten by dogs is minimal since stray dogs are virtually non-existent in the city. Dog owners are legally required to fit aggressive dogs with muzzles, so even if a dog exhibits aggressive behavior, it won't be able to bite. Safety walking alone during daylight registers as very high on international scales, while nighttime safety also rates as high. Police patrols are regular in key areas, typically only intervening in abnormal situations. This allows both residents and visitors to walk around comfortably and safely. The Austrian government's approach to public safety has created an environment where personal security is rarely a concern. Interestingly, beggars in Austria appear healthier, younger, and better groomed than in many other countries, suggesting either social welfare systems are effective or there's a cultural emphasis on personal presentation even among the most disadvantaged. Austria's education system is characterized by a free and public school system with 9 years of compulsory education. The first 9 years of education are free throughout a network of co-educational public schools administered by the Federal Ministry of Education. Beyond this, students choose from vocational, technical, or university preparatory tracks requiring 1 to 4 additional years of study. The country boasts 22 public and 17 private universities, with Austria's oldest and largest being the University of Vienna, established in 1365. The University of Vienna is renowned for producing notable graduates, including Sigmund Freud and Kurt Adler. Other major universities include those in Graz, Innsbruck, Klagenfurt, Linz, and Salzburg. In addition to traditional universities, Austria introduced Fachhochschulen, universities of applied sciences during the 1990s, offering more practically applicable professional training. Vienna is an architect's dream. Every street offers buildings worthy of photographs. St. Stephen's Cathedral, known locally as Stephansdom, is perhaps the most iconic landmark. Built over 900 years ago and completed in 1578, this Gothic masterpiece features a distinctive roof adorned with over 200,000 glazed tiles in a colorful zigzag pattern. The South Tower stands at 137 meters tall, dominating Vienna's skyline. The cathedral experienced nearly complete destruction during World War II, but was painstakingly reconstructed from 1948 to 1962, demonstrating Austria's commitment to preserving its heritage. Another must-see is the Schönbrunn Palace, a 1,440-room Rococo-style summer palace of the Habsburgs. Designed by Johann Bernhard Fischer von Erlach and modified by Nicolaus Picassi, Schönbrunn represents the ascent and splendor of the Habsburg Empire. The palace and its extensive Baroque gardens were designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1996. Interestingly, the Schönbrunn Zoo, founded within the palace grounds in 1752, is the world's oldest zoo. The palace remained the residence of the Habsburg emperors until 1918. Thanks to careful planning and discipline, the Austrian people have created a society that prioritizes order, cleanliness, cultural sophistication, and economic prosperity. From the Gothic magnificence of St. Stephen's Cathedral to the Rococo splendor of Schönbrunn Palace, from the free solar-powered water stations to the efficient public transportation system, Austria demonstrates what a developed nation can achieve. If you found this documentary informative, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what aspect of Austrian culture fascinates you the most.